welcome to Java Smart. My name is Jay Pratap Singh, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain Set Extractor. So in the last tutorial we learned about row mapper interface, but there's a problem with row mapper. It is useful for row mapping to a single object only. You cannot perform joins using row mapper. So for more complicated object structure, we need to use Set Extractor interface. So what we will do, we will retrieve data from two tables using join and transform into nested objects. So that's the objective for this tutorial. I'll explain this by a small demo. So let's get started. So what we'll do, we already have one class employee1 and I have employee DEO and employee DEO implementation. So what we will do, we will create one more class and then we will perform join operation to retrieve data from both the classes. So first what I'll do, I'll create a class so I'll create a class, and please ignore all the data which I have from the other tutorials. So these are the methods and other data which is not relevant to this tutorial. Please ignore that and just concentrate on what I am doing, what I'm writing now. Okay, so I will create a class account detail. Details class I'm writing, and it will have two fields: private int ID, private branch, and that will be a string. I'll generate getter and setter for these two fields. Now I will write one more method to get the detail, get the employee along with account details. So I'll write list of employee1, find with account details. So it will find all I'll mention here with account details, and then I'll implement this method. I will implement unimplemented method here in this class, and I will have to write logic for this method. So the logic is JDBC template dot so JDBC template query, and inside this query I need to pass SQL statement. So I'll perform join operation here. So I'll write a join query, select. So what I'll do, I'll get employee ID from employee. So I'll write something employee. So I'm referring employee by E. Okay, so E dot ID, E dot name. So these two values I want to print from employee class that I'm referring by E letter, and join on, I have created one other class, that is account detail. So account detail class I need to mention here, and I will refer this class by A. So from account detail table I'll get, there are two fields in this table, so I'll get a dot id, comma a dot branch. So I want to get these two fields from account detail table, and I'm going to perform join on id. So I will mention e dot id equals to a dot id, and here I will have to create the object of my result extractor class, which will implement result set extractor interface. It's similar to like the way of creation. This class is similar to the creation of row mapper. So new my result set extractor. So this will be my class, and that's it. My result extractor already present, that's why it is not showing as extractor 2 I'll mention, because I want to create this class. So create this class, and this class will implement one interface, that is result set extractor. Yeah, and I have to remove this one. I don't need the row callback handler. So we will have result set extractor here, and the type of extractor will be list of employee employees, employee 1 class. We need to import this, and then there is one unimplemented method inside this, so I need to implement that method, that is extract data, which has argument result set. So make it as rs, and now here I will have to create a map object. So I'll create map object. I'll show you why we need this map and other information one by one. Just bear with me, I'll explain everything. So this will be a integer, first value will be integer, and second value will be employee type, employee 1 type. MP equals to new hash map. I'm going to create hash map. So integer and second value employee 1, and that's it. I need to fix import there. So why I created this map, I will put ID, integer type of ID, and employee type of object inside this map. That's why I have created this. And now what I'll do, I'll write the logic for extracting the value. So rs dot next, this while will continue till rs has some value. So here I have to create employee class object, employee 1 class object. T is equals to new employee 1. And I need to set the values in this employee from